Hey guys, welcome back to Starry Eyes. So I just got a new deck, and it is the Nature Nurture deck by Marcella Kroll. And I have another one of her decks. It's the Sacred Symbols Oracle, and it's so beautiful and so powerful. So I had to get this one. I went to a shop here in Los Angeles called Crystal Matrix, and I was playing with the cards because they had like a tester deck, and I loved the cards. They were beautiful, so I decided to get them. And this box was $33, but I believe it may be cheaper online. I feel like stores in general price cards, Oracle and Tarot, at the price they want to price them at. So I believe it is cheaper online. But this comes with a 45 card Oracle deck, and it has a guidebook that was drawn and written by Marcella herself. I'm trying to open this. Okay, so unwrapping it, and it is so beautiful. Okay. Whew. So here is the guidebook, and it has a little definition for all of the cards. And here is a photo of the creator, Marcella. Now these cards are like spirit animals, the owl, the raven, the hummingbird, the horse, and so on and so forth. But then they also have healing plants, corn harvest, trees community, mountain, desert, labyrinth. So these are pretty awesome. I really like them. She created all of the photos, and I believe she hand drew them herself and painted them, and I just think that's awesome, putting all of her energy, talent, and intuition into creating such a beautiful deck. They're small. I love them because they fit my hand perfectly, and they're easy to shuffle, easy to work with. I'm gonna do a mini reading for first the fire signs that watch this, then the air signs, the water signs, and then the earth signs. So for fire signs, you guys got horse, and spider. So the horse card said travel on it, and the spider card is one of creativity. So I'm gonna look at the book really fast. So what I'm getting for you fire signs out there is that if you get some type of offer in regards to your career right now, you guys should take it. You guys should go after it. This is a clear yes, especially if you work in the creative realm. Now we're gonna go on to air signs. Let's see what comes up. Stars and bee. What I'm getting is that you air signs really need to put your best foot forward, really need to put your all into whatever you're working on right now, because it can really reach a large audience. Okay, so now moving on to water signs. Ancestor, past, and owl, seer. I can already strongly feel what this message is saying, and before even going to this book. And I definitely feel like water signs, you at this time, whenever you watch this video, you're going to be feeling very intuitive, and you're going to be getting messages from your ancestors, your spirit guides, from angels through dreams or through even meditation. And so be very, very, very alert and aware, because right now you're going to be getting messages from all over the place. And lastly, earth signs, orca, records, and lion, leadership. What I'm getting is that you are gonna need to redefine the terms in a partnership. It could be business or romantic, and I think it's just time to talk to that other person and let them know that the agreement that you have, the contract that may be binding you to, is just not working to your liking, and it's time to just change it up a bit. It's not a bad thing, it happens. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review and the mini readings that I did for each of the elements. And yeah, I hope you guys really support this awesome designer and intuitive. She is awesome, and I really hope to take one of her classes soon, because I know she holds classes and courses on different things, especially on how to read her cards around the Los Angeles area. So if you're ever in town, look her up and check out one of her classes. That is it for today. I will be back to you guys in another video. Bye.